I don't know how to break this to you, but God isn't real. Now let me break this down. Not in the way you perceive it, at least. See, you think God is out here in the wide open and you have to try and talk loud and talk out and free and everything like that. You have to go to the mountains like Moses to try and get in contact with God. But your own Bible tells you that God dwells in buildings and temples not made by the hands of man. In 1 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 16, it tells you that your body is the temple of God and the Spirit of God dwells within you. So why in the hell are you out here trying to get God's attention? For what? If God is here, then nobody knows God better than you. Matter of fact, let me even rephrase that. Nobody knows you better than the God that's within you. So when you're in need of something, when you need something done, tap into the God within. And that's how you're going to get whatever you need in life answered.